I've been wanting to make this video for so long. I just had to finalize a lot of stuff before I could introduce it to you, the vlog, but finally I'll be able to show you what I've been working on. By the way, you can also see what's written on my whiteboard. Goodbye Q3, welcome Q4. We're officially in Q4. This is the home stretch of the year. This is make your final goals for 2025, and you either get them done in these next 3 months or you kind of fail 2025. But you know, around here, failure is not an option. So we already made our goals. I already made my goals. I have my goals all set out, what I want to accomplish, both with the agency, with personal brand, and with everything. We've set daily requirements. I'm super hyped to see what Q4 will bring. Q3 turned out pretty great, and you know I'm not complaining. This whole year's actually been awesome. So Q1, 2, 3 have been awesome. But you know, Q4, we gotta hit it the best. We gotta hit off 2025. You know, we gotta finish it off. Gonna be going into 2026, doing a lot better. So definitely got our goals set, and we have everything that we need to accomplish. I've got some pretty exciting news to share with you in this vlog. But right now, we gotta get another shoot done. We gotta go film some ads for a tire shop, and I gotta come up with scripts for tomorrow's shoot, which I'll also take you there, but as long as I remember to film. But without further ado, let's get to work. We got some computer work done and scripted the videos. Now it's time to actually get out to the tire shop. They're actually closing right now, so it's perfect timing that when they close, I can get some stuff filmed up. So we're about to head out there. Let's get it. As I'm driving, there's just one thing that I wanted to share that I've been learning in life lately. I learned that what you listen to is super important, because what you listen to is what you're feeding your body. You know, in the same way what you read, what you watch, everything just feeding you. And I learned that if you listen to the wrong type of music, if you listen to anything wrong, any type of, you know, books or anything that's wrong, it'll really affect you in everything, in your personal life, in your relationships, in your business. So that's one thing I've learned, is that keeping what you listen to is so important, to watch what you let inside, you know, to watch what you let inside your mind, what you let inside your heart, in all ways. Because I don't, lately I've been trying to just listen to straight Christian music and jazz. Like, jazz is something I really love because I play piano, but it's something that's like super good to me. And it's funny because the more I listen to something like jazz, super calm or lo-fi music, how clear and how like light my mind is. I hope that makes sense. I don't know if you guys have experienced that, but that's something I'm learning in my life, is to make sure to keep track of what you're listening to and what you're feeding yourself. Here we are, here at the tire shop. So the ads that we're about to film are more like a personal type, so off of the phone. Like I mentioned to you guys in other videos, there's some ads that we just run just off phones because they do so well. And the tire shop is one of those clients where it seems like the best ads are the ones where they're not on camera and they're just shot just directly off phone, so they're like more relatable. And this tire shop genuinely does have the best prices. I've even bought tires from here, so it's a super great place. Like, there's tires for even like 20 bucks, 2 for 60, so it's a steal. And I'm excited that we get to do marketing for them, because, you know, we get to bring in more customers for them, and everybody that comes in, they're like, yo, this is like the cheapest thing ever. So it's super good, because like, go to tire discounters, you're gonna pay like 200 bucks just for one brand new, and that's on like the cheaper end. So yeah, let's get to it. We're all done with filming those ads. It's so funny, this floor, when you walk, it goes like, it sounds like you're in flip-flops, and it's because you can hear it on every single video that you film, so it's kind of annoying. Like, look, it kind of sucks, because when I'm starting to film a video for the ad, you know, while I'm walking, it kind of sucks because it sounds like I'm in flip-flops. But anyways, we're all done with getting these ads together. I try to show you guys, I'm literally just doing it on my phone, and we did 2 videos, and we're gonna make these videos through, and then I'll make 2 more variations, and I'll come back here and get 2 more done as well. We've already run ads for them before, so we have a little bit of experience, you know, with what works. So What we've done is we've took the videos and the winning scripts that have worked, you know, and been the best ads. We make scripts that are similar to those. And then we make 4 variations, and then we relaunch them all together to see which one's the winning one out of that. Okay, we're not just throwing around ad spin, you know, randomly trying to pray that it's gonna work. You know, we're actually doing it strategically, we're tracking it, and we're making sure that the videos that we're filming now are more tailored to the winning ads. Doing this, you should be definitely doing it because clients love it and they appreciate it way more. Why? Because it's more money into their pocket. The more money you can put into theirs, the more comes into yours. Remember that always. All right, I'm here at the location. I'm so excited to finally introduce what I've been working on. And I have my beautiful wife here. She's gonna help me film and show it off what we've been working on.
So we're building a house, nothing too crazy, but it's took a lot of work, a lot of preparation. I want to finalize it before I introduce it to the vlog, but I'm so hyped and I'm so excited for this.
Definitely didn't come in the right shoes. What are your thoughts? What do you have to say?
Love it.
You love it? Same. Super excited, super hyped for the process. Look at that sunset, it's fire. But yeah, super hyped.
And what are your thoughts?
My thoughts? I wanted a car. Now we have a house. But wait, trust. Right here in the garage, we're gonna have a sports car. Right here. See it? Have the vision. Once everything will be done, we have those cars, but one of them will be a nice sports car. Right here, I see it. I see the vision. But super excited to show you guys that part. It's gonna be an awesome process and definitely gonna keep it on the vlog and show you guys the entire building process. I'm so hyped. Something I've been wanting to share for a while now. But for now, this is the sports car and that's my truck. I honestly miss having a sports car so bad, but praise God for everything. It's super exciting period in life. Got a lot coming. Praise God for everything. Alright, so I want to do a little recap over everything in the vlog this time. So I introduced to you guys that we're building a house, and then you saw going to shoots, you know, and a little bit of things that I've been learning lately. Because the point of the vlogs is to show the real raw reality of what's going on in my life as well, while I'm giving you guys tips on, you know, how to build a business. The other videos, the educational ones that I do, I did want to show you guys a little bit inside my life, what I'm trying to do, you know, to move forward, to level up as a person altogether, not just in the agency space. So I hope that makes sense to you, because just as I believe in God, family, and, you know, doing business, those are like the most important things to me in life. I also believe in, you know, being a good steward with whatever God has given you. A lot of the times you'll see people just make their money and then just go blow it on stuff, or, you know, buy the car right out. But I believe in taking truly what you make and, you know, using it in a smart way. Don't get me wrong though, I absolutely want a car so bad. And a lot of times you guys will see on that whiteboard, a lot of the times there'll be a picture of me standing by a car, and that's just the car that I want, and definitely one of my dreams that I'm working towards. 100%, because I'm just a car guy at heart, and that's something that super, you know, motivates me in life. It's like one of my hobbies. But ever since I started business, it's kind of just been in the trenches. You're working, you're getting your stuff done, and you're kind of delaying. It's like delayed gratification. So you're not getting what you want right now so that you'll be better off later. Because also another main thing, like what I tell you, what I preach to you also, like Filmmaker Freedom, that was my series that I'm doing on the educational side, and the community that I have right now. It's Filmmaker Freedom, it's being free. You know, it's setting yourself up for life, you know, from what you're making in everything, it's setting yourself up, that way you're truly free. Because if you're just gonna go blow it on a ton of stuff, you know, to have the gratification right now, then you won't be free, because then the cycle restarts. You make your money, you blow it, you keep going, and you gotta make it again. So the whole point is to take what you're making and then reinvest it back into yourself in your personal life and in business. That way your personal life's gonna be good, and also your business can get reinvested. That way you start making more money. It's, in my opinion, way better than going to blow it. But that's the thing, a lot of people just want the instant gratification, and the delayed gratification is honestly super hard to do. A lot of people that you'll see, they'll have their good months. They'll have like a few good months, or not even a few, like 1 or 2 good months, and right there, they're already, buying something that's just pointless or isn't an asset, and just blowing that money away. And believe me, it's really hard to do it right when you start actually making money, because you genuinely just want to like enjoy the fruits of your labor. But over a long period of time, it's so much more worth it to, do it the smart way. And I haven't been at this just for like the 2 months that I've been posting consistently, or like the 6 months when I started YouTube. I've been at this for way longer, not even in just the video space, but in other industries as well. I've been at it for a very long time, and it's been hard to get through all this, but getting a house, starting to build a house has been one of the things that truly has been awesome. It's fine. It's finally paying off. You have a place that you're building to live, and that I got married. It's been super cool, and I'm very excited for the future. Because one of the main things that I'm trying to do is build a right foundation, both spiritually and physically or materially. So spiritually, you got to build a good foundation with God, because if you build the right foundation, you'll be good for the rest of your life. If you have God in your life, you have everything, and you're gonna be set. If hard times come, you're gonna be okay. And in the physical way, you gotta be smart with what you're making and reinvest it back into yourself. So that's buying assets, and building the right foundation. That way you can build freedom for yourself in the future. And that's exactly what I'm trying to help the guys inside the community do, my community, Filmmaker Freedom. If you guys haven't checked it out, check it out. There is a 7-day free trial where you can just hop on calls and use all the resources inside and see if that's something that you're even interested in. And it's a super low barrier to entry, but my main thing is I'm trying to help you get started and get to 10K a month, because you want to build your right foundation, but if you don't have money coming in consistently, you can't build anything. So that's the step one, is to get to the level where you can start actually, reinvesting back into yourself. So definitely check it out, because I'm also doing limited spots. I want to keep the circle tight, and for the community to be super tight, where everybody knows each other and, we're all growing together. So definitely check it out. So that's pretty much it for this vlog. I'm super hyped. It was a good one. It was exciting. Sometimes I ended off on a sad note where it's you're hustling, you're grinding, but it's finally starting to show, results, and it's starting to pay off. And the house is honestly a milestone for me as well. That it's working and that we're getting somewhere. So thanks for watching. If you like this content, leave a comment down below and let me know also what you're doing in your life and what you're trying to do and where you are in your journey right now. I'd love to hear it. But like always, build with purpose, move with faith, and I'll see y'all in the next one.